Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to set up a virtual environment using Oracle VM VirtualBox. A virtual environment is excellent for running multiple virtual machines, exploring ethical hacking in a safe home lab, and many other useful purposes. So without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to Google and type VM VirtualBox. Click on the very first link. That's the official website for Oracle VM VirtualBox. Once you're on the Oracle VM VirtualBox website, navigate to the Downloads tab. Here you'll see various download options for different operating systems. We're going to select Windows hosts and download VirtualBox for Windows. To save us some time, I've already downloaded this file, so I'm pausing the download now. After downloading VirtualBox, I highly recommend downloading the extension pack for this virtual environment. You can read the terms and conditions, then accept and download it. Again, to save time, I've already downloaded this file. The extension pack will add features that aren't included in the basic VirtualBox installation, making it much more useful. Now that we have downloaded both required files, let's go to our Downloads folder and install VirtualBox on our Windows system. Double-click the installer to begin the installation. Look, we've encountered an error. Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package is required. This needs to be installed before we can continue with the VirtualBox installation. This is a common issue, so it's a good learning point. Let's go back to Google and type Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 download. Access the official Microsoft community link that mentions the download links. Here you'll often find users who have shared direct links. You can read the replies and try these downloads if one doesn't work. Let's access the link in the first comment and download this package. Okay, now we need to install this Microsoft Visual C++ package first. Run the installer, agree to the license terms, and that's it. We have successfully installed the package. Now let's try installing VirtualBox again. Run the installer, follow the steps, accept the license agreement, and continue the installation with the default configurations. Excellent. Everything looks good, and we didn't receive any errors this time, which means we installed the correct Microsoft Visual C++ package. Let's wait a moment for the installation to finish. Don't forget to restart your system after the installation is complete. This ensures everything is set up correctly. All right, our installation is complete, and here it is, Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now let's install the VirtualBox extension pack. Navigate to the Tools tab on the left-hand side. Right-click on the three dots menu next to Tools and click on Extensions. Click on the Install button at the top and select the extension pack file in your Downloads folder. Scroll down to read the license agreement, click I agree, and continue the installation. Your extension pack has been installed successfully. That's it. Your Oracle VM VirtualBox virtual environment is now ready. You can now install various virtual machines such as Ubuntu, Kali, Parrot, Windows, or any other operating system for your respective tasks and objectives. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.